Hi guys, this is Nick from Audiolab. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Founder Series speakers. We just got them in this week. We're very excited to check them out. Aaron here is going to help me out to unbox this, so take a look. We have already started to open the bottom here. Ordinarily you'll need to slice this, and there are some staples. You're going to open it from the bottom. To facilitate things, we are going to turn this on its side. Now, take her back up again.
Yep.
And so there is the inner packaging. So let's see if we can easily undo this. Okay, this is going to be the grill in here. And you want to just lift this out carefully. Nice and steady. So this is our Founder 90 series. And this is a very good looking speaker. This is actually going to be your center channel in your main system. So now let's take this a little closer and we show you kind of what it looks like. I know it's hard to see. These have some very nice angles on them. Very good looking speaker. Obviously this one is going to sit. So I think maybe for the sake of looks, we'll actually slide it into this slot here, the salamander slot.
Got it.
So let's go over some specs on this Founder 90C center channel. This is a very cool speaker. Has some very advanced designs to it. Starting from the bass section, you do have two 7-inch woofers, and those coupled to an additional two 7-inch passive radiators, which help to really extend the bass down low. Bass does go to 55 hertz, and that's the -2 dB. So you have extension all the way down to 37 hertz. So this is a very full range speaker. Many center channels can't hit that low. These are going to go down just fine. On the top end, they have a really interesting combination of drivers. So they are using a coaxial design, which really helps to keep phasing and diffraction to a minimum, and also increase your horizontal coverage while still maintaining vertical. The coaxial uses a 6-inch mid-range driver coupled to a 1-inch ceramic dome tweeter. Very cool combination. This is a true 3-way design. The passive radiators are not active. However, the mid-range and the tweeter have their own crossover involved. So you do have 3 totally isolated signals coming through, which gives you a real sense of clarity, especially in the dialogue with movies. This center channel is actually capable of handling about 200 watts, so it's very powerful, and it's about 94 dBs efficient, so really a very efficient speaker. You don't need to put in a lot of power to get a lot of output, but it will take the power if you put it in. It's a relatively heavy device. It is 48 pounds, so not for the faint of heart. This is the best sounding and the newest style of center channels. When you have a wider center channel, helps to broadcast the sound outward, really fills the room a lot better, and of course clarifies the voice. So we're really excited to get this thing up and running and see how it sounds.